Hi, this is Tyson Golden, North Platte, Nebraska. This is part 3 of my storm update for today. I did a video, one at 3, one around 5, and right now it's about 7 p.m. Or actually it's about 7:20, but yeah, we got storms finally building up to our south and southwest. The sky's looking awful dark. Oh, look at that. You can hear some thunder off in the distance. Wait for the storm base to get a little bit closer and maybe have a lot more to see. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear it on this, but it definitely sounds like some thunder. We're still in a tornado watch for another couple hours. I don't know, it's kind of cool right now. Oh, I know you heard that one. Yeah, boy, look at that moss growing. Our fence. Well, if we get any more, I'll do an update a little later. Thanks for watching.